Lesson 17. Could do and could have done. 1. Could for suggestions and unrealistic actions. Could indicates past capability, modern suggestions, or entirely under unrealistic scenarios. Examples: what shall we do tonight? We could go to the cinema. Modern suggestion. Or I'm so tired I could sleep for a week. Unrealistic. 2. Could for general versus specific possibility. Can describes general possibilities while could specifies a distinct possibility occurring now or in the future. Examples: the story could be true, but I don't think it is. Or the weather can change very quickly in the mountains, in general. Or the weather is nice now, but it could change later, specific future possibility. 3. Could have done for past possibilities. Could have done indicates a past opportunity or possibility that did not happen. Examples: I was so tired I could have slept for a week. Past. Or why did you stay at the hotel? You could have stayed with me. You didn't stay with me. 4. Negative couldn't for present and future inability. Couldn't means an action is impossible now or in the future due to a lack of ability or because a situation has reached its absolute limit. Example: I couldn't live in a big city, I'd hate it. It would not be possible for me. Or I couldn't run 10 kilometers now, I'm not fit enough. Or everything is fine right now, things couldn't be better. Please take the quiz below the video to support your knowledge, and don't forget to write in the comments how many answers you got right. Bye!